Open the UAV case, loosen the tie belt, invert and install the base support rod and fix it. Raise the GPS antenna and secure it, making sure the arrow on the antenna is pointing in the nose direction. Spread 8 wings to correct position and screw them in place. Untie the strap on top of the drone, attach your battery to the board, and tie the strap tight. Before the aircraft is powered on, turn on the remote control power first, and the red light of the aircraft flashes 4 times continuously, indicating that the aircraft is preheating. When the LED light at the tail shows green single flash, the next step can be carried out. A compass calibration is required after the first acquisition of the UAV or after a flight of more than 100 kilometers. First of all, move the F switch on the remote control continuously for more than 5 times. At this time, the tail LED yellow light is always on. At this time, lift the UAV and rotate it horizontally and clockwise to 360 degrees until the green light is always on, and then keep the nose down and perpendicular to the ground, and rotate horizontally and clockwise to 360 degrees until the green light turns out. Put the aircraft down, and when the calibration is completed, the green light will flash slowly, and then power on again to complete the calibration. Now start assembling the propellers. There are 2 kinds of propellers. The base color of the 2 propellers are different. Install the base of the propeller on the top seat of the motor to ensure that the color of the propeller base is consistent with that of the top seat of the motor. Rotate the motor according to the arrow on the motor and tighten the screws. Install all 8 propellers. We will need before formal operation of traction rope hanging heavy objects, below half a bottle of mineral water, apply a fast knot, convenient to hang on the releasing device. Fast knot after playing well, we probably about 1 meter distant, and then make a slip knot, then the weight hanging on the rope. This time we will open releasing device. Press A switch, hang plate fast knot. Press the A switch to close it, and the line will hang below, and then put some extra ropes on the ground, so that it won't be too hard to take off. You need to unlock the drone before takeoff. First pull the 2 joystick at the same time to the bottom, and then push inside at the same time. After the motor rotation, pull two joystick back to the original position slowly. We will this time up the left-hand joystick, the throttle gently pushed up. The UAV took off. We can push up the right-hand joystick, the UAV forward, then pull down, the UAV back. Move the right-hand joystick to the left and right, to check the UAV fly to the left and to the right. Pull the left-hand joystick rotates to the left, the UAV nose rotates to the left, the left-hand joystick rotates to the right, the UAV nose rotates to the right. When the UAV arrives at the destination, press the A switch on the remote control to release the rope. After the rope is dropped, the UAV need to turn back, and the F switch will be set to the automatic return mode, and the UAV will turn back automatically. If necessary, you can operate the F switch, and then use the remote control to control the descent. If the flight is done manually, after the UAV lands on the ground, we lock the UAV. To lock up, you simply pull the throttle down to the bottom. Stop the motor completely, and then move back the throttle. After the operation is finished, we need to power off the UAV first before turning off the remote control. Unplug the battery, then turn off the remote control. Long press the power off button. After hearing two beeps, the shutdown is successful. Rotate the motor in the opposite direction, remove the propeller and back it for safekeeping. Restore the UAV packing in its original state.